7:13 in the afternoon, February 10th, 2018. Well, I bought one of these. It's basically a doorbell that plugs into your ordinary electric plug or wall outlet, and the key that, or the button that turns it on is works using a little battery inside it, rather than having to and I'm trying to open this up using one hand and a foot, and it's not very easy. And this thing uses a battery and wirelessly turns on or makes the bell go off. This is the battery that you need to replace, I don't know, perhaps every few months. And it saves you up a lot of time and energy and money to do all the wiring and stuff. It works remotely. Now, I had bought one of these earlier. The button broke because of the rain and stuff, and now this time I'm going to put it somewhere that rain doesn't bother it. So, and I had this bell part of it saved in my toolbox. Now I have two of these. Actually, this is the new one that I just plugged in here, and it goes off like this. And this other one that I had from the past. Now these things are designed stupid enough. I mean, they work on the same exact frequency. Like if you and your neighbor had two of these, then any button would make both of them go off. So the interesting thing is that I could use one of these inside and the other one outside, and kind of like having the opportunity or the chance to hear it if I'm inside and this one doesn't work, or if I'm pardon me, like if I'm outside and I might not hear this one go off, I could definitely hear this one, and vice versa. If I had one of these installed outside and I were inside, I might not be able to hear it go off. So it actually helped to save. And it's I mean, these things are pretty nice. You could use this switch to change the tone. There's like 32 different melodies that you could use. I just opted for the ordinary ding dong, which looks more like a doorbell and not like some musical melody thingy. So it's good. I just have to dig inside my toolbox to find something to cover this. Cover this, or like a roof thingy above it, so that the rain doesn't ruin it over time. Thank you.